In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove price alerts on Gate. Price alerts are a great way to stay updated on market movements without constantly watching the charts. But once you've reached your trading goal or no longer need an alert, it's a good idea to remove it to avoid unnecessary notifications. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Markets section or open the trading page for any cryptocurrency. Tap or click on Price Alerts to view all of your active alerts. You'll now see a list of every price alert you've created, including the trading pair, your target price, and the alert condition, such as when the price moves above or below a certain value. Next, tap Edit. Depending on how many alerts you made, you can tick Select All or just tick the alerts you just want to delete. In my case, I just made one alert, so I'll just tick the box and press the Delete button. Once the alert has been removed, you'll no longer receive notifications for that specific price target. It's also a good habit to review your active price alerts from time to time. Removing outdated alerts helps keep your notifications organized and ensures you're only receiving updates that are relevant to your current trading strategy. And that's how you remove price alerts on Gate.com.